successful trading.
Our traders in our Discord room are recording 10 baggers week in and week out. Our one-on-one coaching featuring flow algo, technical analysis, position sizing, and risk management.
While we learn to trade options as a beginner.
Hello, congratulations. If you're watching this video, that means that you just signed up for Successful Trading Subscription Trade Alert. So this is your onboarding video, and in it, I'm just going to take you through the initial steps on here to get you started with your subscription alert. So the first step most likely will be for you to get access to our Discord room. So in that case, you just follow this link and that should take you inside of Discord, and you will land in the general area somewhere here. So you just say hello over there, and that's really all it takes. So from that point on, I will make sure that I give you privileges to access this channel here on top. So this channel, in this channel, you can only read the alert, and you can also access the private video for the subscribers. The second room that's exclusive to the subscriber that you are, is the hangout place. So in the hangout, yes, you can come say hello on here and greet everybody. We see the growing list of subscribers that we have on here. So here, if anybody can post, or you can share whatever content that you like, as long as it's pertinent to the trading. And then you have access to all of the other channel. I definitely invite you to, if you so like, to read the first statement here, the power of the mind. And then if you want to share with us like what I have made, you set up your objective, what you want to achieve. And all of the other channels, I mean, you just click on the channel and you can visit what's posted onto it. But really, the main two places where you will be spending your time is reading the alerts that come on Fridays, before the market open on this channel, Subscription Trade Alerts, and then spending the day inside of the Subscription Traders Hangouts. And when you make your gain, not if, when you make your gains, then we invite you to gladly post your winnings on here, like these tickets you can see here. So the difference between just winners and 10 baggers, well, 10 baggers are 10 baggers, meaning in the sense that 1000% win. So if you're curious on how we're able to consistently manage 1000% win and above, well, you have come to the right place. Here's an example on here of a trader who, after 3 days joining us, recorded a 10 bagger. There are many others. Obviously, you can visit that at any time. And then we post some other videos on here, videos of the daily market recap. They're accessible to everybody on the Discord room, not just you as a subscriber. And then we have our member of the month section where we select. We have only been here since May. So far we have had 2 members of the month. So we're looking forward to having you as a member of the month. So that's really it. And there's this section on here. I mean, the coaching, yes, your free membership comes with your monthly membership comes with a free one-on-one coaching every month. And I mean, we have extended these, right? These hours on here. So you follow this link for scheduling a meeting. I believe we have that as part of the channels on here. Yes, so for coaching, yes, do we have that? Yeah, we have that. Where to schedule, we have that as part of the link on here. So really, don't be intimidated by Discord if you have never used Discord before. And then we can go and do audio and video on here through these voice channels. So at any given time, we can convene to come together on here and do something if we so like. So that's a little bit of what to expect in here. And if you have questions, the way is right click on my name. I cannot do it on myself here, but if you right click on anybody's name and you message me, that message will come strictly to me and only me, meaning we can interact just privately, the two of us. In all the other channels, whatever message that you type is visible by everybody who has access to that channel. So meaning This channel on here, again, you cannot write anything on here. It's prohibited. It's just on Telex to give you guys the alerts. And then here, anything you post on here, all of the subscribers will be able to see that. The non-subscribers do not have access to these subscription traders. Hangouts. All right, so that's take care of Discord. The second thing that you may want to do, because we want you to read. Oh yeah, this is live recording while the market is open. Also, you see me here just looking at Twitter. So if my eyes, you saw my eyes, yeah, Twitter calls on there. The 40 calls they are moving. So that's good. So that's a winner that we have there. Winner, chicken dinner. All right. So let's very quickly on here. You may want to go and set up TradingView. So if you don't have TradingView, we are an affiliate of TradingView, but you will not be spending money or at all on it. You can create a free account using this link. That's fine. Same thing for Finwiz. And again, it's free. The free account, it's definitely usable. So after you do that, the reason we want you to set up TradingView, because these 1, 2, 3, 4 videos of 15 minutes each or thereabout, they all have a goal. The purpose is to help you with knowing when to take a trade on one of the alerts that we give you, right? So hence, if you are following them on your video and you have TradingView set up, you can pretty much just follow along nicely. If you set up TradingView, open an account on TradingView, and you don't know how to set it up exactly as we have it here, let's take a look at how, I mean, it looks nice, doesn't it? I mean, that's what people say usually. So we will, during our coaching session, we will teach you how to do that. We will show you how to do that. Here, I mean, it's not that, let's see, could we do that down here? I just wanted this. So you just go to indicators, and then you look for Bollinger Bands. Yeah, so if I click on it, for me, since I already have my limit, this is a pro version anyway, but you go to settings on your Bollinger Band. So these are mine here, and you use input 20, close to, and 0, and the style, if you want the style to be line for Y is for basic, basis is the middle of that. I will explain all of this in technical analysis. I don't want this video to be that long. And similarly, you still can go here to indicators and input in moving average exponential. Yeah, well, I already have it, so that's what this thing is saying this. So if I right click on it, settings, yeah, so input 8 period. If you don't know what 8 means, that's fine. Just put 8 and say okay, and to the style you pick. So for me, I'm using step line on here. Yeah, so you click OK, you will get something like this. So the other one is exponential moving average 20. So same thing, 20, and the style, you pick the style and the color you want. So these colors, you can have them exactly as they are here. All right, so TradingView, that's how you set it up. And then we will want you to go and watch this video that's on our YouTube channel. We will show you our YouTube channel soon. Most likely you already know our YouTube channel, yeah, because that's what got you here in the first place, or through Google because you search for algo. So this video helps you recognize a bullish setup. This one, the second one, a bearish setup. The third one is how to manage your position overnight. In case, let's say, you had you bought a call, it made you bought calls, they made you money, you sold some, and you want to carry some overnight. We teach you how to protect that position. And the fourth video is something that we do inside of E-Trade, but you can do it anywhere. Yeah, you can do it anywhere inside of your Thinkorswim has it, the ability to create a watch list for the specific option, because here at Successful Trading, we will be giving you the stock to trade, the strike price, and the expiration. The expiration is always weekly. So hence you will be set up to go and create a watch list for those, because when you start tracking them, the price of the option, you can even set up alerts to see when exactly it's a specific option that you're interested in start moving. Yeah. And then this link is going to be important to you. We encourage you. We want to give you free education here at Successful Trading. So go ahead after you have completed these steps, schedule in your meeting, because you will most likely have questions that have that are derived from the videos that you have watched, and that's there. If you would like to upgrade at any point of time from monthly to, let's say, quarterly or whatever, contact telex@successfultraining.com. If you want to tell your friends about how to make money like yourself on here, then you can definitely share the link. What's the membership link? Let's bring the membership link on here. So just that's it. So it's present in any one of the videos, right? These are our videos. We have over 100 and as we stop counting, they're growing by the day, right? Well, here they are showing that 117, but I think there are more videos than that. The live feed, the live one, because we do a pre-market every day, is 36. There are more than that. This is I don't believe there have to be more than that. But in any case, we have over 150 videos. So definitely, so though you can come at any point of time, search for a video on here. So for instance, if I want to search for, let's say that one for a bullish setup, let's say, nope, it's not showing me. Okay, well, we need the exact title of the video, I guess. How to recognize a bullish setup. Okay, that's a nice spell text. Okay, well, you see, that's why I do not do a search. Unlike what oh, is it I was in the dashboard. Yeah, sorry. So bullish. Can I get something? 0 video. Okay, that's a joke. Okay, I know that those were recorded on June the 29th. So how to trade a bearish setup, how to easily trade bullish setup. This is it here. 181 views. That's not bad actually in such a short time. So well, we really want to keep this video as short as possible. It's just for your onboarding, so you have your list of items to quickly go over on here. If you complete this, the 4 videos, they are less than 15 minutes each. So along with setting up this is, let's say, a couple of hour activity. You will be so much advanced and ready to take your first trade with Successful Trading. Thank you for your time. We're looking forward to trading with you. Bye-bye.